Well, just came back from another long trip and I have this big package for video reviews. Let's see what it is. I have no idea. EV charger station box. So this box, if I remember correctly, is intended to protect your EV charger here at home. One of those. So there it is. It has a lock. It has a combination here to install it safely. It's the hardware to put it on the wall. Password lock. I can probably install it here in my house since I have already a charger here which is portable, but let's go and see how it looks. Let's take a look. So this is the setup I have here. I have a 240 volt outlet. And this is the way this is set up for now. I think the box will look much better. So yeah, I'm gonna install this here a little bit later today. So I've been away for almost 3 weeks and I'm gonna finally get to install this box. The U-fixed box. So first things first, let's take this one out. See how many of these holes we can reuse. To take this one off, but apparently there's one screw there, so let me take it out. So let's see here. This looks like a good position here. So it looks like I can use this one down here and go from there. So I'm gonna use the template to do the rest of the holes. So here's our template. Let's set it up here, hole as a guide. I guess I'm gonna bring a level to make sure everything is fine here before I make the holes. So that seems to be level right there. So this is the way it will look. Let's keep working on it. So I took this plate out so I can install this bracket. We'll go here, and again we're gonna try to use one of the existing holes to make it work. So this is the way it will look. This plate will fit in here, and then the connecting wire can go through here to the box, and the rest of the wire can be wrapped around here. So I think this is working fine. I'm gonna put this ground wire here. So just as a demonstration, this is the way this box is gonna look on the wall. Everything protected, everything sealed. The only thing outside the box is the connector that goes in here. So there is the full installation is done now. You heard a beep, that means the station is on. We can leave it there, hooked, and now we're gonna just hook the wire to keep it in place. So there you have it. super clean look. It's safe, and this was the way it should have been done from the very beginning. So thank you, you fixed box. Now we need a EV car to charge something. I don't have one this weekend.